So we're just about to do our second feed since we lifted the chicks. So the food's all ready. It's quite thin, so that it will mix in well with the crop food already.
And they digest it better.
And they digest it better, yeah.
As they get older, the mix gets a little bit thicker.
Yep. So they're quite calm. Got a few that are panting because they're surrounding themselves by other chicks. So they're getting quite hot. And it is dark outside, so for them it's night time, bedtime. Right, shall we see how the second feed goes to see if we have a better feeding reaction? Oh, not bad. Come on. So because they've still got some food in their crops, this one's just managed to get 6 mils. Doing very well. But we'll leave him to do that. What is interesting, let's see if we can show you, is how you can see the crop working.
Possibly too close.
Right, you can see that the crop goes round and round and round, which is really cool. So that means it's a healthy crop. If the food does get sour in the crop, then that won't happen. So I think he's had enough for now. They will get another feed before they settle completely for the night. How about you, little one? So that's 2 with feeding reactions. Is that good? Go join your brother or sister. Yeah. Nice full crop. Ooh. Didn't know what to make of that, did you? Got some more? Oh, is that good? Oh, good baby. Nice feeding reaction. Want some more? So I keep going on about the feeding reaction. And what they do is they bob up and down and when they really get going, their wings will flap. So that's what they ideally want, and they also often have a squeak as well. Come here. Turn for the camera. That's a baby. A little bit more. Good baby. Who wants some? Do you want some? You hungry? Okay, let's show you for the camera. So all three so far have had feeding reactions. Make that 4.
First feed it was only 2.
2.5 maybe.
That doesn't take long.
No, it doesn't take long. But if you do leave them until they're older, the older they are, the more difficult it is to get that feeding reaction going. So this is the perfect age, we think. So all the way through, I'm checking the temperature of the syringes, making sure that they're not too hot. Let's see what this one does. These next 3 I'd expect to have feeding reactions as well. Come on. Oopsie. Oh, you got it all over your face, you silly thing. Oh, yes. Come here. Come here. Still not quite sure what to do with it, are you? There we go. How's that? Hmm? Don't know. Come on. What is nice at feeding them this time is it's quiet. For the first few feeds, they don't make a lot of racket when they're wanting to be fed. Whereas it doesn't take them long and you can't hear yourself think for the crying for food. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Have another one. Oh, is that good? Come on. As we explained in the previous video, you need to feed from the right, or the baby's left hand side, down its right hand side, because that's going down into the crop, as opposed to the channel which goes down into the lungs. Nice reaction. Whoa, big full crop. So Lucky last. He's more interested in eating the towel. I'm not sure, are you, little one? Come on, you can do it. Can you manage another syringe? Oh, you could do that, couldn't you? Oh, what a grub. Can I have a tissue for these? Right, another one. So far 6 of the 7 have got a feeding reaction, no problem. This one's just a little bit unsure. Come on. So I'm trying to put my thumb to act as the other side of the beak. But this poor wee one doesn't know what to make of it all. So I'm just going to heat up the food a little bit more. And I do that by just putting it back, the syringe in the water. That's better. Try it now. Good. There we go, my little ones. Right, should we get them all out to have a bit of a cuddle? Cuddle with Mum? It's alright, you're alright. Aww. So that's them all fed. The next feed will be in another 4 hours, which will be the last feed for the night. But they're nice and settled, nice and docile, which is fantastic.